Anytime you see a model airplane being flown in the world, they're using our FAI Tan Super Sport rubber that's produced by FullFlex. My name is Charlie Jones. I'm the president of FAI Model Supply. Our business is a retail distributor of free flight model airplane supplies and products. We have 400 different items in our catalog. Probably 75% of our business is elastic that FullFlex produces for us. If you've never seen the product, it looks like spaghetti noodles. It is the engine that drives the propeller for the airplane. You make up a motor and then you'll use a special winding tool to wind the motor to a certain either number of winds or a certain torque. What they're able to do is, by flying with this rubber, achieve higher results in terms of duration times. In certain models, the model is climbing to 120 to 130 meters high on a 40-second motor run. The FullFlex people are great about working with us in terms of ensuring consistent and good quality. In the early 2000s, one of the products that they used became too costly to use and essentially was disappearing off the market. So we had to work to figure out a new formula that would work for us. They were very good about supporting our needs. And today we have an incredibly successful product that is consistent year after year, batch after batch, in terms of quality and energy loss. Without FullFlex, it could end the rubber-powered portion of model airplanes. It's that critical. The elastic that FullFlex produces for us is a higher quality, a higher grade. It has a lower loss of energy. FullFlex has been a great advocate of supporting us and having this unique product just for us.